Most people get this wrong when trying to get the Amazon Prime student discount. They hear that students can save money on Prime, but they never complete the verification process correctly. As a result, they end up paying more than necessary. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Getting the student discount is usually much easier than people think, as long as you follow the right steps. In this video, you'll learn how to get the Amazon Prime student discount in 2026, who qualifies, and the common mistakes that prevent students from getting approved. Let's get straight into it. If you're a college or university student, the first step is to sign into your Amazon account, or create one if you don't already have it. Then look for Amazon Student Membership option, often available through the Prime sign-up page. Amazon typically requires proof that you're currently enrolled in an eligible educational institution. This may involve verifying a student email address or providing other enrollment information, depending on the verification process available at the time. For example, if Alex is attending college and has a valid student email account, he can usually begin the verification process directly through Amazon's student membership page. But here's the problem. Many students assume any email address will work. This is where most people fail. If Amazon requests student verification, make sure all information matches your enrollment records. Incorrect details can delay or prevent approval. Now here's where it gets interesting. The student membership often provides many of the same Prime benefits people already know about. Depending on current offers, that can include fast shipping and access to certain Prime features at a discounted rate compared to a standard membership. In a minute, I'll show you a simple way to avoid the most common verification issue. Before submitting your application, double-check your student information. Make sure your email is active and accessible. If Amazon sends a verification message, respond promptly. A lot of students miss approval emails simply because they never check their inbox. Let's look at a quick example. Jake signs up using his university email and completes verification. Once approved, he gains access to the student membership benefits without paying the full standard Prime price. The process is usually straightforward when all information is accurate. But here's another thing to remember. Student eligibility is not permanent. Amazon may periodically require verification to confirm that you still qualify. Keeping your student information updated can help prevent interruptions. To summarize, getting the Amazon Prime student discount in 2026 usually involves creating or signing into an Amazon account, choosing the student membership option, and completing the required verification process. The key is providing accurate enrollment information and responding to any verification requests quickly. Now you know exactly how to get started and potentially save money as a student. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you've already claimed your student discount.